Eski Tostlar. Huh.
Come.
Interesting. So he's a toast maker.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Our toast shop.
Oh, very nice.
They're also YouTuber, I think.
Afiyet olsun.
El sallayın bakalım şöyle bir. Hadi bakayım.
Senin bir işaretin var mı?
Ha?
Senin bir işaretin bir şey
Benim bir işaretim yok.
Oh, chai, very nice.
Salça
Come check what is doing.
Okay, I'm coming.
Salça olsun abi.
So he's bringing teas outside. Let's see. So what are you working on? Wow, you're cooking a little bit of sausage.
Maskeyi takalım da.
And then
Salsa, this tomato paste he used on the bread.
tomato paste.
Our secret tomato paste.
Yes.
Oh, and then he makes toast
He
sandwich.
makes rice and the chicken on top like this one.
Oh,
They
this is very nice.
eat.
Wow.
Yes,
Shanas says, is this Turkey? Yes, it's Turkey.
Looks
The
like
city
Mexico.
of Kuşadası. It's not Mexico. Very
Be
nice.
careful, step here.
Okay. Kolay gelsin.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Afiyet olsun.
See you in Kuşadası.
So they just got their tea. Very nice.
Another food shop.
Another food shop is really nice one. It's just opened too. Also homemade food. Shops. This is one of the tea shops that is like for men only. And there's a lot of those in Kuşadası. I mean, women are usually not not sitting there. It's just for men. June says, what's the meaning of kolay gelsin? I say to everybody kolay gelsin. It means, what kolay gelsin in English means?
Like, I don't know really in English.
Real translation is let it come easy to you.
Yeah.
Like that's word by word.
Yeah, but we have short saying for
So it's usually when someone is working, in the middle of working or cooking or like doing something with their hands, you say kolay gelsin, like let it come easy to your hands, you know. So it's instead of saying have a good day at work or like you say kolay gelsin. And it's a very polite way to say hello as well when somebody's working. So instead of hello and kolay gelsin, you just say just kolay gelsin. So this is a very nice little
My childhood park. We were playing football here.
yeah?
Yeah, there was a
Oh,
little
yeah, I
place
remember.
here. We were playing football. Now they changed it
Yeah, I remember that.
because we used to live nearby.
And there used to be this little, also we changed in the last 2 years. There used to be so much sand, you know, and some old playground, and now it's beautiful new playground.
Yeah.
No more sand, and not to have sand is a good thing in Kuşadası because there's so many kitties and doggies that come and do something in that sand, and then you know kids are playing there. So that's why they redid it to have this nice soft cushy material here, and it's like for sports feeling there.
So this Maya Lokantası, they build it, they are waiting.
It's like a new
New
restaurant.
one.
Yeah, that's nice. Let's go to Saltbox.
Okay. You think they're open?
I don't know, but everybody was always asking Saltbox. Maybe let's go. What do you think?
Let's check.
Look, traffic police car right here.
Okay, if you want to try something Turkish, this is the one. This is vegetarian meatballs made with barleys and spices.
Oh yeah? Let's check it out.
Come here, this is çiğköfte.
Çiğköfte. Ah, so it's no meat köfte.
No meat is made with şeyle yapılır değil mi? Bulgur. It's barley, spices, pomegranate, syrup,
Kolay gelsin.
walnuts.
Wow, so that's what you make it from?
But this is sweet here. Over there. One is spicy, one is not. Göstersene bir tane yapın.
Bir tane şey içinde, marul içinde vereyim mi?
Tamam, bir tane var içinde.
one like this. So basically, if you're a vegetarian, it's amazing. Doesn't have any meat,
No,
but it's
look,
called like.
you see?
So this is like bulgur
Yeah, but they
Barley.
mash very long time. They are marinating
with
each other.
spices. Wow, that's very nice.
Marinated.
Yeah,
So it's very tasty.
very
Sağ ol,
nice.
teşekkürler.
Deniz says off.
Very nice Çiğköfte shop.
Yeah, I don't know, I cannot see very well, but yeah,
You
that's
put lemon juice on it and you eat like mussels, you know, we were eating.
very nice, baby. Very
Let me
nice.
taste for you.
Let me see in the sunshine.
It tastes good.
Very nice, baby. There's a special restaurant right here. That's a very nice veggie salesman. Bananas and mandalinas. And then these nuts. I don't know what they're in English. What are in English, these ones?
This is fresh almond.
Fresh almonds.
Yeah, this is we eat like that too. And they are very healthy and tasty.
Very nice.
You wash and you put salt a little bit. Very crunchy you eat.
Special restaurant for many of you, you know this. I see still many people on Facebook, so go over to YouTube and watch us on big screen.
Special restaurant, yes. Since 1999. I remember first they opened here. I was kid.
Yeah.
See you in Kuşadası.
Kolay gelsin. Well, now for those of you who didn't know, Huh?
Secret word. See you in Kuşadası and I pop by.
yeah. So for those of you that learned kolay gelsin, now you can say it to everyone and everybody will love you. Especially if a foreigner tells them kolay gelsin, they feel so nice. You know, it's like one of the first phrases that I learned when I came to Kuşadası was kolay gelsin. It's like you appreciate what they're doing. Like you show respect. You understand that they are working, you know. But like if Mustafa's mom is cooking something and molding the dough at that time, like working with her hands, I would say kolay gelsin too. Or somebody's cleaning the house maybe and brooming at that time also.
This land used to be a school here, guys, remember?
And again, renovations.
New school gonna come up.
They broke down the whole building. Like I cannot believe like all these changes, you know? It's just unbelievable how much is happening. Very nice. Very nice little area. So where's my salt box, baby?
Over there.
Here we are. These are like more local. If you are a tourist and exploring these areas, definitely you'll pay like half the price comparing to downtown. So it's always a good idea to go and explore a little bit deeper than you would go normally. So if a street is not as beautiful, but the shops have still very nice affordable items, and you can find really good finds there. And I've been there in so many of them. So here will be another men's only tea shop, but I see some women actually. So I guess it's not like I was thinking anymore.
Salt box looks like open. Can you believe?
It's open?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go and check it out. Starbucks, free Wi-Fi. Can you check if they're working?
Kolay gelsin. Ne var ne yok? Canlı yayındayız.
Wow, they also
Gel öyle ki.
baby. They changed the roof too.
Hakan da değil misin? Ha evet tamam.
Look, there's this
Hakan is here.
Bordeaux color look also. Wow. Ha, merhaba, kolay
Hakan is
gelsin.
here.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Did you change this too? You had to change?
Ha yeah.
We paint on top only.
Ah, you painted this.
Yeah.
Okay.
He's gonna put new sign.
Yes, we're gonna put the new sign.
Right now you are serving, yeah? You're open.
Yes,
Yeah.
we do. Yeah, and at the weekend we do delivery.
Oh, they do deliveries.
Oh, very nice.
Look, his my bike here, salt box.
Sometimes.
Look, he has a motorbike and he's advertising the restaurant on his motorbike, just like
Take
you
the
would
number
see
if you live around here.
on the
Call
cars.
him to order.
Yeah, you can make an order from here. So what's the favorite dish for those that don't know? Chips and fish, isn't it?
So delivery de ondan istiyorlardı.
Fish and chips, I
Mostly
know.
they do fish and chips delivery, he said.
Fish and chips delivery. So that's,
Very memorable place, yeah?
yeah. Main course today, roast turkey or roast beef.
That's for
Yorkshire pudding.
We do Sunday lunch for specially on Sunday roast beef.
Ah, okay.
Yorkshire pudding?
Still do that, Yorkshire pudding.
Wow, they make Yorkshire pudding
and
here.
apple pie.
That's amazing. Very nice.
Homemade apple pie.
Yeah.
People
His
are saying
wife-
good morning.
His wife works here and she does, yeah?
Yeah, she does bake it. She's not here today, but
Yeah, she is the cook.
she's cooking. Yeah.
Very nice. Many people are saying hi, Hassan.
Yeah. Hello.
Hakan, not Hasan.
Hakan, yeah.
Yeah.
Great food, Lorraine. Yes.
Thank
Very
you.
good. Thank you.
Görüşürüz, kendine
Bye
bak.
bye.
Yazın görüşürüz yine.
Kolay gelsin.
Görüşürüz.
Very nice. Hey, sweetheart.
Yeah.
Let's end the live
Okay, front of salt box.
in front of Soulbox. Wait. I'll just take my mask off. Wait, let me flip the camera.
Thank you.
There we go.
Oops.
So, I hope you enjoyed it. And if you watched us on Facebook, don't forget to go to YouTube and subscribe and watch the next live on YouTube on your big
videos on-
screen.
Yeah.
At home on TV, you will feel like you're here so much more than on a little screen on your phone. In any case, if you're following us, if you're watching us, thank you for that. We love you all. And we'll see you again soon.
Bye bye.
See you in Kuşadası.